We have probably one of the biggest projects that will be happening in the region. Not only are you looking at 145 kilometers of a greenfield site, but you're also looking at the adjoining networks linking the three countries, which is Mozambique, Eswatini, and South Africa. In total, there's 7 work packages on this. So the greenfield site is the 145 kilometers, which is like everything will be built from scratch. So where there's no railway line, where there was no railway line, there will be a railway line with tunnels and bridges, and you can imagine that anything that happens within that 145 kilometers between Eswatini and South Africa, you're looking at opportunities for development. I've talked about the greenfield side, the brownfield side as well, because whatever you do in the greenfield side, you also have to make sure that the same standard is matched on the adjoining railways. So that also alone is a huge project on its own, because you have to refurbish, you have to make sure that the same track standard same design standard is the same as the greenfield side. So I really look forward to massive participation. I mean, we've not even looked at the opportunities on rolling stock and the operating model. I'm very excited about this, and as I said to my colleague the other day, I wish I was younger, because this is something that if I was starting out, it would really make my career. But anyway, that's just my sentiments.